Hello everyone, welcome back to Kleta Vassal, your go-to-go channel for everything law and beyond. Today we are diving deep into the constitutional remedies provided under Article 32 to 35 of Indian Constitution. These provisions are not just legal tools, they are lifeline of our democratic framework, ensuring that fundamental rights are protected and enforced. Well, also explore landmark judgment that shape their interpretation and explain the complex legal concepts in simple terms. So buckle up as we unpack this cornerstone of justice. Article 32, the right to constitutional remedies. Clause 1. Article 32 ensures the right to move the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental right. Justice Patanjali Shastri in Ramesh Thapar vs. State of Madras aptly described Supreme Court as protector and guarantor of these rights. Where fundamental rights are violated, individuals have power to directly approach the highest court in the land. This clause makes the Supreme Court the ultimate guardian of your liberties. Clause 2. The court powers under Article 32 are broad, allowing it to issue writs such as habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto. For example, Rashid Ahmad vs. Municipal Board, Kairana, 1950, the court emphasized the remedial nature of these writs, ensuring immediate relief for the aggrieved. Clause 3 and 4. While this clause enables the Parliament to empower other courts with similar authority, Supreme Court jurisdiction remains unparalleled. This ensures uniformity and authority in interpretation of fundamental rights. Landmark cases under Article 32. People's Union for Democratic Right vs. Union of India. This case highlights the court power to issue directions for enforcing labor laws, assuring minimum wages for contract workers. Nilapati Behra vs. State of Orissa. The court ruled that compensation for violation of fundamental rights falls within the purview of Article 32. This marked a shift from sovereign immunity to public accountability. Bodhisattva Gautam vs. Subara Chakrabarti. Here the court clarified that Article 32 could be invoked against private individuals for fundamental right violation, underscoring the evolving scope of justice. Bandhu Mukti Morcha vs. Union of India. This case reiterated that Article 32 powers are not bound by rigid procedure, allowing court to devise innovative solutions to ensure justice. Article 33, Restriction to Fundamental Right. Article 33 empowers Parliament to modify application for fundamental right to armed force, paramilitary force and intelligence agency for ensuring discipline. Now, in Union of India vs. L.D. Balam Singh, the Supreme Court upheld such restriction as necessary for maintaining operational efficiency. However, this does not mean the rights are entirely suspended. It's about striking a balance between individual right and national security. Article 32, Martial Law and Fundamental Right. Now, when martial law is imposed, Article 34 allows Parliament restrict fundamental right temporarily. Now, in the case Buga vs. King Emperor, the Privy Council addressed the concept of martial law, emphasizing its exceptional nature and the need for judicial oversight. It's important to note that martial law is not explicitly defined in the Constitution but operates under extraordinary circumstances. Segment Article 35. Legislature to enforce fundamental right. Article grants Parliament to exclusive power to make laws for enforcing certain fundamental rights, such as those against human trafficking, forced labor, and untouchability. Clause A. Parliament has the authority to legislate on fundamental rights regardless of state jurisdiction. The state legislature is restricted from making laws that Parliament alone can pass. DVA College vs. State of Punjab. The court ruled that state of law violate fundamental right could be struck down under Article 35. Now, key concepts and challenges. Territorial jurisdiction. Article 32 empowers Supreme Court to act without territorial limits. For instance, in Trilok Chand Moti Chand vs. H.P. Munshi, the court addressed issue of jurisdiction and procedural fairness. Res judicata in Article 32. If a matter under Article 226 is dismissed on merit, it may be bar further petition under Article 32 unless new facts emerge. In Direct Recurrent Class 2 vs. State of Maharashtra 1990, the court emphasized the binding of nature of High Court ruling unless overturned by appropriate channels. Innovative procedure in Supreme Court in Common Cause vs. Union of India 1999 reiterated that Article 32 allows the court to correct its own errors to uphold justice. Now, this article collectively forms the backbone of constitutional remedies, ensuring that fundamental rights are not mere word but actionable guarantee. The jurisdictionary proactive role as demonstrated through landmark judgment reinforces our faith in legal system. Thank you for turning in-depth analysis on Cleather-Versal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. Have questions or topic like to us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and empowered. Thank you.